This, my friends, is the world's largest time capsule, and you won't believe what's inside this thing. It's amazing, it's astounding, and I'm going to tell you all about it, so don't go away. I'm Jeff. This is Backroads Tourist. Today's driving adventure takes me to Seward, Nebraska, just about an hour southwest of Omaha. Seward is home to both the Parade of Flags and the world's largest time capsule. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not taking anything away from the Parade of Flags or disrespecting this wonderful display of patriotism. It's beautiful, but I came here to see this pyramid and find out what's inside and the crazy and amusing backstory behind the world's largest time capsule. So here's the thing, you're not looking at the entire time capsule right now. This pyramid was an addition that was built onto the original time capsule that's buried underground. So why is there an addition put onto the time capsule? It's a great story. But before I tell you that story, please like and subscribe. As always, I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you too. Harold Davison was a local businessman and somewhat of a celebrity in this area, and he got the idea to build the world's largest time capsule. So in 1975, he built a 45-ton vault and buried it in front of his home furnishing store in Seward. I'll tell you what's inside the vault, but first, let me tell you about the controversy. Once Harold started claiming that he had the world's largest time capsule, Oglethorpe University in Atlanta, Georgia started protesting. They said that their crypt of civilization that was sealed in 1940 was indeed the world's largest time capsule. That's when the fireworks started. Harold shot back that the university just sealed up a room in one of their buildings on their campus, and that really didn't qualify as a time capsule. The university came back with, "Nah-ha," and then Harold said, "Yeah-ha," and then it devolved into a series of "your time capsule so fat" jokes. This is when Oglethorpe University got schooled. See what I did there? They learned the hard way that you don't mess with Harold Davison. He ended the argument once and for all by building an addition onto the time capsule in 1983. That's what you're looking at right now, the pyramid. So what's inside this massive time capsule? Well, it's reported that over 5,000 items were entombed in 1975 and several more in 1983. Among those items is a man's aquamarine leisure suit complete with stitched yellow flowers. Welcome to 1975, folks. There's also a lot of old telephone books and packages donated by local citizens. You're also going to find pictures and letters. It's also said that there are fireworks in the vault. Don't know if that was a smart move, but they're in the vault. One of the items listed does raise some questions. It's a pair of bikini bottoms. Not the top part, just the bottom part. Oh, did I mention there's also a few vehicles in the time capsule? The first one is a brand new 1975 Chevy Vega. When the pyramid was added in 1983, another car was put into the collection, but no one can remember if it was a 1975 Datsun or Toyota. There's also supposed to be a motorcycle in there somewhere. When can we see the treasures from inside and beneath this pyramid? Well, the time capsule is scheduled to be opened on July 4th, 2025, 50 years to the day after it was dedicated. Unfortunately, the mastermind behind this project won't be there to see it. Harold passed away in 1999 at the age of 91, but he left behind a wonderful gift for all of us. When that door is opened, we're all going to be taken back to a time when gas was 57 cents a gallon, disco ruled the airwaves, and Jaws was the summer blockbuster movie. So thank you, Harold. And hey, thank you for watching today. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you on the Backroads.